Make headlights clean and clear again. Removes faded hazy look. Optical Restorer and Protestant. Seals and protects against future sun damage. No sanding required, but is optional. Chemical Guys Headlight Restore and Protect restores yellow, foggy, and hazy UV damaged headlights. The advanced polish and synthetic protectant in one makes it easy for anyone to make headlights clearer and brighter. Dull and damaged headlights make it hard for drivers to see the road. Simply rub Chemical Guys Headlight Restore and Protect on faded and oxidized headlight plastic to remove any yellow haze and restore full clarity and headlight power. Headlight Restore and Protect works on headlights, tail lights, turn signals, and other clear plastic lenses found around cars, trucks, motorcycles, and RVs. The one-step formula cleans, polishes, and protects plastic lenses against future damage from UV sunlight that caused the plastic to fade in the first place. Durable protection sealant acts like sunscreen for clear plastic parts, and helps prevent future oxidation and fading from harmful UVA and UVB rays. The refined cream formula works by hand and a microfiber towel, or with a machine polisher kit for professional level results. Use Headlight Restore and Protect regularly to keep headlights and tail lights crystal clear for any vehicle inspection and for safe daily driving in all weather conditions. Choose Chemical Guys Headlight Restore and Protect to clean up any faded and yellow headlight plastic. Top reviews from the United States. It works. I loved the ease of use of this product. I have arthritis in both shoulders and didn't know if I had enough elbow grease for this to be effective. My 2009 Civic had a pair of headlights that looked frosted and I was having a lot of trouble seeing where I was going at night. I washed the car and used a few dabs of the Chemical Guys treatment on the headlights and a lot of yellow stuff came off. I could also feel that the headlights themselves felt rough. I buffed them and then applied more with more buffing more stuff was apparent on the rag. A few more dabs and buffing and the rag looked relatively clean. The headlights themselves look great. Nice and clear. I don't know how long the lights will look so clear, but I wouldn't mind spending a few minutes every few months to keep the headlights clear, and it sure beats the $500 plus figure I was quoted to replace the lens.